Hello everyone, good morning. Today is the Kartika first day. So it's a special day for Lord Shiva and also a special day for Lord Ayyappa. So first thing to put in your mouth is should not be a chemical. So avoid toothpaste and try to start with the day with neem stick or banyan or bamboo stick or any other natural stick. Before you bed you can use toothpaste or anything. So then cold shower, it is a very important thing. There are thousands of benefits in this cold shower. Um, so it's almost like a new birth. Swimming is the best exercise ever, so keep swimming daily. I personally prefer butterfly and freestyle. So butterfly is activate your chakras and remove the blockage from your bodies. So it's improve your energy level, that is remove the blockage from your bodies. So better to take a shower in a pond, river or lake anywhere. So instead of using shampoo, you can use the hibiscus leaf or henna leaf or any other simple natural shampoo like aloe vera, likewise. And also you can it's not only for your hair, it also improve your eyesight and good for your ear. So everyone using the chemical in your hair that affect your eyes and also ear and also your brain. So try to prefer natural leaves, what are things around you. Also, one more thing, when you are taking bath, our heat must flow from lower body to upper body. There are a lot of science there, but here I jump into the water. So personally, I excited when I saw the pond or lake or anything. I feel like I want to jump inside. Anyway, after that I refresh, clean all the clothes, and fresh up, completely fresh up. Okay, now we are going to wear the mala. So mala must prefer to tulasi mala with 180 beads. 180 beads with copper. It's the best mala to wear Sabari, and also you can use silver mala also. So I'm entering into my favorite Shiva temple. So first thing we need to go with Lord Ganesha, get Ashirwad from Lord Ganesha, and do some super brain yoga. Like this is our traditional method. Activate your brain. Sit sometime and just meditate yourself that you are going to promise yourself what are things you need to follow and everything. After we wear mala, you just gratitude towards nature, God, stone, friend, animals, birds, even any all things. Without support, we can't live in this world. So always gratitude to everything around us. Okay, now start your day with ginger with red coconut. Ginger is one of the best thing in early morning. If you follow for 21 days or 41 days, you get very big changes in your entire body. You feel so young and light. And also red coconut is the best food ever in this world. By the Saint Valala said about this detail. Red coconut is the very best food ever in this world. It's almost like amardam. Mix this both and start your day. This brings good digestion and good energy absorption. And also coconut water contain all kind of vitamins and minerals. Start your day with yogasana. Yoga is the most important thing for a human they must do in your daily life. Yoga Mudra is a very beneficially asana. Hold in Padmasana and just bend forward. Now breathing exercise. Just observe your body. Just feel your body. What are the things, what are the twists you need, your body know. Sometimes you feel little back pain, you need to twisting exercise you need. Turn left side, right side, twisting all the way. Twisting is more important for who are having little back pain. Then do some advanced flow. Yogasana is must and more important thing for human life, for healthy body and healthy mind. So best gift you need to give to your children is they must need to learn yoga. Now Padahastasana, very good exercise. The basic asana you must follow every day. Hold it for 30 seconds or to 60 seconds and watch your breathe and watch your body. Chakrasana. Chakra is a very good beneficial asana. It's reversing age, reverse your age. So it's bend your spine, entire spine, and also activate your entire organ in your body. There are thousands of benefits of each and every asana. So please, I personally prefer everyone to do yoga at least 30 minutes daily. So only thing I am here to, everyone want to be healthy and happy life, and everyone want to be learn yoga. Yoga is the most compulsory thing human must learn. Daily 15 to 20 minute meditation is most important thing. So doing some advanced poses, that's increasing your willpower and also strengthening your muscles. So all the way, mind wise and body wise. Feel the body and do the yoga. Don't do the routine yoga from same place with the same person or same class, not like that. You need to learn all the way. To research yourself how the body working, how the mind working, what happened to your body, what's the reason for that. If you are sitting too much time, then you do some twisting exercise. If you are eat some toxic food or fast food, then next day you need to make yourself prepare some good food. So always watch yourself body and always watch your mind continuously. That's the important thing. More than our body and mind, nothing is more important. So peacock pose from Padmasana, the asana that remove toxic from the body, is a peacock pose. So this asana is preferred only for men. I'm not personally prefer for the ladies, women. So men, please try this asana. Okay, relax. Yeah, it's now have some morning breakfast. Om Namah Shivaya. So like everything around us, start with wheat dosa with onion and some green pea and some sambar with dal. So eat food only with half stomach, not full stomach. Eat food lightly, half stomach food and quarter water, and after quarter should be air. So and also show love and love with your pet or near neighbors and everything. So just now I entered into my office. So I'm selling some wood mala, sandalwood, red sandalwood, karangali mala, and rudraksham. So when you are doing business, there have always win-win-win-win situation. So win-win situation means everyone must be happy. So when you are doing business, our client must be happy. Who are doing business, they are also want to be happy, and also the business that help the world is not affect the world. So everyone must be happy. So that's the only thing we need to keep in our business. Then only the business will be grow. It's not things business. So everyone want to be happy. So if you keep selfish in any business or anything, it's almost you will fail on that business. That's the only thing I follow. So everyone must be happy and everyone will get the right things. So win-win-win situation for everyone, who are selling, who are buying, and also this society. So here are some products. So we are slowly start up our business. So we are doing puja and giving the trustable product. So we are not sending only true valuable product to customer who are on the world. So thank you so much who all are buying product from us. So and also who all are supporting with us. So our entire team work hardly for that. Thank you. So after that, we are having our lunch. Kudravali rice. I think it's a horse rice with our term we say avial and onions. Onions very good for antioxidant that activate cleansing your whole body. So if you eating a small onion for 21 days, that help you to increase the insulin and also increasing your immunity power. After that, take some small rest and go with dry ginger. Sorry, after food, take some dry ginger with honey. That's important thing. Morning ginger, noon after food have little bit of dry ginger powder with honey. That help you very good digestion and also very good absorption. Then going to take bath. Before that, we have some pet. Many of them throw lot of, that means female puppies in the roadside. So we are collecting some puppies there and keep feeding and give some medication for them. Now they are growing slowly. So in this world is for everyone, not only for human. So this is some bike that hit that puppy. So day by day she is recovering well now. It's time to take bath. It's evening sunset time. So I have the yoga class, so I need to go there. Again, take a cold shower and and swimming and fresh up. Relax yourself. Always say gratitude. So this nature help us in all the way. So we are so lucky to hear in this world. We are very lucky to have a, because we are a human. We have a lot of opportunity. Wherever we are just feel feel gratitude to ourselves. Whatever we have, just happy with that thing. Then always use the law of attraction things. So attract everything you need. If you want to live with nature, attract the things. Always happy with what are things you have. So almost it's time to have to go to yoga class. My students are waiting. You can feel the energy shift when you are inside the temple. Enter into the temple and be gratitude towards nature and pray for the world peace and everyone want to be happy. Spread love and happiness. So finally we visit our God Lord Ayyappa, Swamis and Ayyappa. So pray for world peace, love, health and happiness for everyone. This world is for all living things. So spread love and happiness for each and every living things in this world. Swami is an Ayyappa. After that we entered to our class. Our children are doing chakrasana now. So each small step is most important. Every small step bring lot of changes in your life, in yoga also. So our parents are the more important role in this section. Parents only give more interest to allow children into the yoga classes. Wherever you are, just allow your children to the yoga class because it helps all the way in their life, mind wise and body wise. So almost we finished the class, 1 hour. Finally with the Vashna. After that we got the prasadam from the temple. So it's our night food. It's our dinner. After that put some food for the fish and we are just leaving from the temple. It's a very beautiful day. Finally we finished the day with beautiful moon meal. So end your day with kadukkai. Kadukkai means the, in English I think ingnet. Is clean your entire stomach and it have very more health benefits. Thayiram siranda kadukkai. There are many siddhas talk about this kadukkai. So it cleanse your entire body. So it's a little bitter taste, but it have all the taste, sweet, sugar, bitter, but you can feel all the taste, but it's very good for your health. You must follow 21 days or 41 days, not more than that. So you give some gap and do this one. Before sleep, read some book. Yeah, reading book that helps to good sleep. Good night, have a good sleep.